Non-running. Rats chewed up all these wires here. Had to resolder them. They chewed some wires here. Had to resolder them. So it was a no start condition. This is the starter relay, the second one in. What I did is I put a jumper wire because the computer PCM is not given a ground to the starter relay. So of course codes came up, ignition switch, blah de da de da. This didn't look too kosher under here. I don't know if somebody put in the key fob, you know, wired it in themselves, who knows what. So what I did to fix the no start condition is ran a wire in. So you turn the key all the way on, and then I brought it up to 2024 standards. It's a push button start. There you go. No